Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore how to view your region on Instagram using a PC, thanks to a new update. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and visit the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, focus on the middle of the page. Here, you'll see your bio. This section is where you can showcase a little about yourself, and it's also where Instagram displays your region. If you've set your location previously, it should appear right here, giving your followers a glimpse of where you're based. If you've recently changed your region or if you want to share a specific location with your followers, you can easily update this. Just click on the Edit Profile button and you'll find the option to change your bio. You can include your current city or region, as well as any other details you want your audience to know. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your region on Instagram using your PC. Remember, this is a great way to connect with your followers, letting them know where you're from. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Instagram and other social media platforms. See you in the next video.